Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggless marshmallows. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment before you begin. We'll be using aquafaba, which is the liquid from canned chickpeas, to replace egg whites, giving us that essential fluffy texture. For the setting agent, we'll use agar-agar powder, a plant-based alternative to gelatin. This combination ensures a delicious, egg-free treat for everyone to enjoy. To start, measure out your aquafaba, about 1/2 cup, and combine it with 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar in a stand mixer. Whip this mixture on high speed until it forms stiff, glossy peaks, which usually takes around 10 minutes. While that's whipping, prepare your pan. Lightly grease an 8 by 8-inch baking pan, then generously dust it with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch to prevent sticking later on. Next, in a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of agar-agar powder. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring constantly, and let it simmer for about 3 to 6 minutes until it thickens slightly. Once the syrup is ready, reduce your mixer speed to low. Carefully and slowly drizzle the hot sugar syrup into the whipped aquafaba, then increase the speed to high and continue whipping for another 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture is thick and glossy. Once your marshmallow mixture is thick and glossy, immediately pour it into your prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a greased spatula. Let it set at room temperature for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally, overnight. When fully set, loosen the edges with a knife, invert onto a surface dusted with more powdered sugar and cornstarch, and cut into desired squares. Dust all sides of the cut marshmallows to prevent sticking. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. And speaking of staying prepared, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.